Hey, Digital Mama, please help me. Grok is no longer working.
Calm down, don't worry. Digital Mama is here to the rescue.
Hi guys, it is no longer news that Grok has stopped their free version. Yes, but Digital Mama is here to the rescue. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to access Grok for free. 100%. So go to your Chrome browser and search for AI API. We don't waste time here, straight to the point. Search for AI API and it's going to bring the suggestions. So you can see it clearly. Click on the three dots by the right and you have to scroll down. You will see desktop site. Remove it from desktop site and you can see it clearly now. This first one, click on it and it's going to take you to the site. On this site, once you get there, all you need to do is to click on get started. Then you sign up with your email. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel as I'm going to be giving you updates. So once you sign up, you're going to see other AI tools here. Take a look at this Queen image. There's Cloudy there again, then ChatGPT 4, then Kling Motion. There are lots of other AI tools that you can access here for free, even Gemini Pro. So, but why are we here? We are here because of Grok, okay? So what we do is you go back up, scroll back to the top of the site where we started from. Then you're going to click on this search button. Click on search button. Then you're going to type Grok because that is why we are here. Of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. Digital Mama will always bring you updates for free AI tools and how to make money online with AI. All right, let's go. After searching for it, it's going to bring the one and only Grok for you. So all you need to do is to click on try it and it's going to move to the next interface. Okay, Grok option there is just one. You can see just one model. Click on it and you'll come here. You can see all the things that you can do with the normal Grok is here. Image to image, image to video, text to image, text to video, extend and upscale. Everything is here for free. Okay, I am sure you're getting value already. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So now, how do you use this? Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT to go and copy a prompt I already prepared to use. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. So the video I used in the beginning of this tutorial is what I want to generate. So I'll come to ChatGPT to copy my prompt. So I already gave ChatGPT a prompt of the idea of what I want to create. So it gave me this prompt to create it. So I'll copy it and go back to the API site. Okay, so you come down. Then this time around, you now click on image to video. Then scroll down and click on remove all, the image they have there already. Then to bring in your image, click on select file and it will go to your gallery straight. Select the image you want to animate. Then you have to scroll down a little bit. You're going to see where there is prompts. So you have to remove their own default prompts. Select it and remove it. Okay, then you're now going to put in your own prompt. So I'll put my prompt here. Do not forget, follow step by step. Then you can see the option here, normal, 6 seconds. I'm going to choose 6 seconds. Why? I'm going to tell you that later. Then I'm going to choose my frame, the ratio I want. Since it's YouTube size, 16:9 is okay for me. Then I'm going to run it. You can see that it's 10 points that they are going to take for this. So I'm going to run it and it's going to run to start generating. So the reason why I'm choosing 6 seconds instead of 10 is so that I'm going to have enough points to generate more videos. Okay, if you want to use this for unlimited time, okay, it's not unlimited because when you get to a point you'll not be able to generate video again. So I'm going to tell you how to use it unlimited. Okay, our video is ready as you can see, so I'm just going to download it and play it for you later for you to see what I was able to generate. Okay, I generated it, the script was small, so I had to come back again to regenerate it. So I'm going to play it for you to see after this tutorial. So as I was saying, I came back to ChatGPT to come and copy more scenes. Okay, so that it's going to be longer. The dialogue was too short, so I copied like 2 more dialogues and added it and regenerated it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like by the end of this video. So how do you get to generate more videos if you run out of points? Okay, so that you can use it more and more and to continue using it. So this is what you would do. Once you are out of points or they tell you that you can no longer generate again, log out from this email that you used in signing up on the site. Log out from it, then sign up with a new email. That's all. Do not forget to subscribe because I'm going to be bringing you more updates on how to use AI tools and how to make money online using AI. Bye.
Hey, Digital Mama, please help me. Grok is no longer working.
Calm down, don't worry. Digital Mama is here to the rescue.